This is the story of two best friends. Their names are Emma and Lily. Emma and Lily have been friends since they were very young. They do everything together. Emma and Lily go to the same school. They sit together in class. They eat lunch together. They walk home together every day. They are like sisters. Both girls love to paint. They spend hours painting beautiful pictures. They paint flowers, trees, animals, and sunsets. Painting makes them happy. Every weekend, Emma and Lily go to art class together. They learn new techniques. They practice with different colors. They share their art supplies. They help each other improve. One day, something exciting happens. The art teacher makes an announcement. The teacher says there will be a big art competition. The competition is open to all students. The winner will receive a special prize. The prize is a scholarship to a famous art school. The winner will also have their painting displayed in the city gallery. It is a great opportunity. Emma and Lily are both excited. They both decide to enter the competition. They go home and start working on their paintings right away. Emma chooses to paint a garden full of colorful flowers. She works very hard. She paints every afternoon after school. She uses bright reds, yellows, and purples. Her painting is beautiful. Lily also works hard. She paints a peaceful lake with mountains in the background. She uses soft blues and greens. She adds small details like birds and clouds. Her painting is also beautiful. After 2 weeks, the competition day arrives. All the students bring their paintings to school. The teachers and judges look at every painting carefully. Emma and Lily wait nervously. They hold hands. They hope one of them will win. They whisper to each other, "Good luck." Finally, the principal announces the winner. The principal says, "The winner of this year's art competition is Emma." Everyone claps and cheers. Emma's face lights up with joy. She cannot believe it. She won. She jumps up and down with happiness. The principal gives Emma a certificate and talks about her beautiful flower painting. Emma walks to the front. She smiles big. She feels so proud and happy. But when Emma looks back at Lily, something is wrong. Lily is not smiling. Lily is not clapping. Lily's face looks sad and angry. She stands with her arms crossed. Then Lily turns around and walks away quickly. Emma tries to find Lily after the ceremony. She looks everywhere. Finally, she sees Lily sitting alone under a tree in the schoolyard. Emma runs over with a big smile. She says, "Lily, did you see? I won! I cannot believe it." But Lily does not look happy. Lily speaks in a cold voice. She says, "Yes, I saw. Congratulations." Her voice sounds angry. Emma feels confused. She asks, "What is wrong? Are you not happy for me?" Lily stands up. Her face is red. She says, "Your painting was not that good. The judges made a mistake. My painting was better. You just got lucky." Emma's smile disappears. She feels hurt. She says, "Lily, I thought you would be happy for me. We are best friends." Lily shakes her head. She says, "Maybe we are not such good friends after all." Then Lily picks up her bag and walks away. She leaves Emma standing alone. Emma feels terrible. Her happy moment turns sad. She does not understand why Lily is so angry. That night, Lily sits in her room. She feels angry and sad at the same time. She thinks, "Why did Emma win? My painting was good too. It is not fair. But then, Lily starts to think more deeply. She remembers all the good times with Emma. She remembers how Emma always helped her with difficult techniques. She remembers how Emma shared her best brushes. She remembers how Emma always said nice things about Lily's paintings. She looks at her own painting of the lake. It is beautiful. Then she remembers Emma's flower painting. It was also beautiful, maybe even more colorful and creative. Lily realizes something important. She realizes that she is jealous. Jealous means feeling bad when someone else has something good. Lily is jealous of Emma's success. Lily starts to feel ashamed. Ashamed means feeling bad about your own behavior. She thinks, Emma is my best friend. She always supports me. But when she won, I was mean to her. I was a bad friend. Lily realizes that Emma's success does not make her own painting less beautiful. There can be many good artists. One person winning doesn't mean another person is bad. The next morning, Lily wakes up early. She knows what she must do. She must apologize to Emma. Apologize means to say sorry. Lily walks to Emma's house before school. She knocks on the door. Emma opens it. Emma looks surprised and sad. Lily takes a deep breath. She says, Emma, I am so sorry. I was wrong yesterday. I was jealous of you. When you won, I felt bad about myself, but that was not fair to you. Your painting was truly beautiful. You deserve to win. You worked so hard. I should have been happy for you. Instead, I was selfish and mean. Can you forgive me? Emma's eyes fill with tears, but they are happy tears. She smiles and says, Of course I forgive you, Lily. You are my best friend. I understand how you felt. Emma hugs Lily. Lily hugs Emma back. Both girls cry a little, but they are happy tears. Emma says, You know what? Your lake painting was beautiful too. You are an amazing artist. Just because I won this time doesn't mean you are not talented. Lily nods and smiles. She says, Thank you, Emma. I'm really proud of you. You are going to do great things at that art school. The two friends walk to school together, holding hands, just like always. Their friendship is strong again, even stronger than before. Lily learned an important lesson that day. She learned that jealousy is a natural feeling, but it is not a good feeling. Everyone feels jealous sometimes, but we must not let jealousy control us. She learned that a true friend feels happy when their friend succeeds. True friends celebrate together. They do not compete in a mean way. She also learned that someone else's success does not take away from your own worth. There is enough success for everyone. We can all be good at things in our own way. Most importantly, Lily learned that saying sorry takes courage, but it makes everything better. Apologizing is not weakness, it is strength. From that day on, Emma and Lily continued to paint together. They supported each other, they cheered for each other. When Lily won a competition 6 months later, Emma was the first person to congratulate her, and Lily's smile was the biggest in the room. True friendship means being happy for each other, even when it is hard.